I'm Sean Cast, and today we are replacing a pressure sensor for a 2012 Ford Focus SE. So I've already got this in a vacuum state, and the cool thing about this pressure sensor is it doesn't really release any pressure if you have refrigerant in the line, but to be sure, I got this evacuated by a mechanic who had a $7,000 machine, and I decided to give him $100 to just go ahead and evacuate the system. You can buy a vacuum pump and do this yourself. I might buy a vacuum pump eventually, but for now, we're just replacing the pressure sensor on the 2012 Ford Focus. All right, the pressure sensor. So you gotta pull up on this actually, and then pull out. There's a little nub there. So down is lefty loosey and up is righty tighty. Little gasket there, but I'm gonna leave it. That's on. Now make sure you tighten it a bit. Give a thumbs up. Replacing the serpentine belt. This is about 9 years old, and I mean, could have kept using this, but it could have prematurely failed or just suddenly failed. So a lot of little grains and stuff inside this old serpentine. So I got a new one, out with the old and with the new. So underneath the passenger wheel, under the 2012 Ford Focus SE, we have where the compressor sits, as well as serpentine belt. I wonder why. Maybe I should wipe this off first, right? Yeah. So out with the old and in with the new serpentine belt. Yeah. Oh yeah. 5 grooves. And let's just go ahead. Now, spin and plug. Why isn't it fitting? Let's see it. I had to go get some of these mounted. Had to get a new one. Can't put the plate on without lowering it.
Alright, just drop it nice and slowly.
Now, get your plate on. Lucky day. This way. Yes, indeed. This one? Yep, that's the one. Whew. This needs to come out. Lefty loosey, right tighty. Let's do a little. We don't even need it now. See, look at that. It's the bomb, Dizzy Dom. And now when I recharge the system with a mechanic, it has a $7,000 piece of equipment that I'm not gonna buy. Anyway. That's it. Mission accomplished.